fourth part, odd number. We have to find the probability of getting the odd number. So let's check out, is there any odd number? No. Odd number means number which is not divisible by 2. So there is no odd number. So the number of element in the event will be 0. So probability of getting an odd number is 0 by 10. That will be 0. So this is the answer of the question number 8. Question number 11 now. I am doing a different type of question so that you are able to practice. A bag contains 8 red balls, 4 white balls, 3 black balls. One ball is drawn at random. What is the probability that the ball is drawn? First is white, second red or white, third one is neither red nor white, fourth is not red. So first of all we will find out the total balls. How many total balls? Red, white and black are there in a bag. So 8 plus 4 plus 3, that is 12, 13, 14, 15. There are 15 total balls in the bag. Now first of all we will find out the probability of getting a white ball. So how many white balls are there? 4. And total ball 15. So the probability of getting a white ball 4 by 15. Second, probability of getting a red or a white ball when you draw one ball at random. So let's find out red or white getting a ball probability. So how many red balls are there? 8. How many white balls are there? 4. So that is 8 plus 4 is 12 balls are there of red and white. So 12 upon total balls are 15. So they can be cancelled, simplified with the table of 3, 4 times, 5 times. So the probability is coming out to be 4 by 5. Now the third part, the probability of getting neither red nor white. That means you don't have to take a red ball also, you don't have to take a white ball also. So how many balls are there? Red you will not take the white. Only which balls are there? Left, black. So how many black balls are there? There are 3. So probability so that you don't get red and white also, that will be 3 upon total ball. So you can simplify, it will be 1 by 5. Fourth part. In fourth part it says that probability so that not red. That means you will take now white and black ball. So white and black ball. White is 4 and black is 3. So 7. So probability of getting not red. So you will not only take a red ball, you will now take white and black. That is 7 by 15. So this is a question number 11. Question number 12. Now question 12. A bag contains 6 black ball, 5 white ball, 5 white and 9 green balls. One ball is drawn at random. What is the probability that the ball drawn is black, not green? Second part, either white or green. Fourth part, neither white nor black. So first of all what you will do, you will find out the total ball in the bag. So that is black, white and green. So 6 plus 5 plus 9, that will be 11 plus 9, 20. There are 20 balls in a bag. So first part, you have to find the probability of getting a black ball. So how many black balls are there? 6. 6 by 20. So you will cancel with the table of 2. It will be 3 by 10. Second part. Second part, probability of getting non-green. So the ball that come out non-green or not green. So green are 9. So you don't have to take the green now. You have to only take the other two. So that is black plus white. 6 plus 5 is 11. So 11 upon 20. Third part, either white or green. That means it will be white or green. So green plus white will be 5 plus 9 is 14. So the probability of getting a ball either white or green is 14 upon 20. So when you cancel it, it will be 7 by 10. Fourth part. The fourth part is neither white nor black. So you don't have to take the now white ball and also black. You will not take white and black both. So which ball is left? Now green. 9 upon 20. So this is our question number 12 answer. First, second, third and fourth part. Question 15. It says that the probability of winning a game is 0.6. What is the probability of losing the game? You have to find this. I think so when I have started the chapter, I have discussed some conditions. I have told you the probability of event plus the probability of not event will be always equal to 1. That means, so here how will you take? Probability of winning the game plus the probability of losing the game will be 1. So the probability winning मतलब जीतने की संभावना कितनी है? 0.6 plus we have to find the probability of losing the game. So how will you find out the probability of losing the game? 1 minus 0.6, 0.6. So the probability of losing the game will be 0.4. So this is the way you will do the question number 15.